In today's video, we will learn what are the alphabets or scripts in Japanese language, what is hiragana, katakana and kanji, what is the difference between hiragana and katakana. So let's start with the basic, what are the writing system or alphabet in Japanese language. So Japanese language has three different scripts, hiragana, katakana and kanji. So first one is hiragana. So first script is called hiragana. It contains 46 characters. Just like English language has 26 characters. Hiragana mostly used for Japanese words and particles. Unlike English language, each hiragana character has only one syllable sound. For example, this is a Japanese character A and this is an English character A. In English, A can be pronounced as A, etc. But in Japanese, this character will only be pronounced as A. Single hiragana does not have any meaning, it only has a syllable sound. If we put together more than one hiragana, we can make a word or sentence. Now let's see katakana. Second script is called katakana. It contains 46 characters too, same as hiragana. Just like hiragana, each katakana character also has only one syllable sound. Each katakana character sounds the same syllable sound as hiragana counterpart. For example, this is a hiragana and this is a katakana. In hiragana, this character is pronounced as A. In katakana, this character is also pronounced as A. So the characters are different but the pronunciation is same. There are only two differences. Katakana are written differently than hiragana and katakana mostly used for pronouncing foreign words. Words like in Hindi language, English language or any other languages. Single katakana does not have any meaning, it only has syllable sound. If we put together more than one katakana, we can make a word or sentence. Difference between hiragana and katakana. Hiragana has 46 characters, katakana also has 46 characters. Each hiragana has single syllable sound, same each katakana has single syllable sound. Hiragana mostly used for Japanese words and particles, katakana mostly used for foreign words, languages like Hindi and English. Hiragana example, rain will be pronounced as ame in hiragana. In katakana, rain will be pronounced as rein. So here hiragana used for a Japanese word ame and katakana is used for foreign word rain. Hiragana and katakana are often called kana. Pronunciation of both the kana system are same. It is just that katakana are written differently than hiragana. Each katakana is just a counterpart of each hiragana but used for foreign words. Now let's see kanji. Third script is called kanji and there are thousands of kanjis. I will make another detailed video about kanji but let me give you a brief about it right now. Unlike hiragana and katakana, single kanji can have one or more than one syllable sound and meaning. Kanji characters have two readings, kunyomi and onyomi. And yes, you have to remember both and use it according to the situation. More on this I will explain in separate video. Let's see the example. For example, this is a kanji character. So these are the meanings of this kanji. These are the pronunciation. This is kunyomi and this is onyomi. So for single kanji, we have many meanings and different pronunciation. Also we have kunyomi and onyomi which you have to remember. So that's why you hear people saying that kanji is very hard because there are thousands of them and each one has more than one meaning. However, it is very necessary to learn if you want to learn Japanese very well. That's it for the video guys. I hope you understood very well. If you like my explanation, then hit a like, share the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to see the content related to anime in Japanese, then please subscribe my channel and let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on this video and any suggestion or doubts. I will try to reply. Have a great day. Till then, see you. Mata ne.